In other video clips, we've spoken about the use of traditional or linear notes, the use of mind maps or thought showers, and now I'd like to talk about OPIR grids: overview, preview, in-view and review. They're a way of making notes similar to traditional linear notes, but more focused on answering a single question. So if your notes are related to a particular question you're preparing an essay or exam answer for, an OPIR grid could be very useful. Let's start with the O, the overview part. In an OPIR grid, the question that you're attempting to make notes from or to find an answer for is written at the top. It might be, in the case of this chapter, were doctors and medicines helpful? In linear notes, you then have a subheading for each section of notes. The subheading, in the case of OPIR grids, the subheadings go in the preview column. That's where your subheadings are written down. Now for the notes themselves. In the middle, in-view part, what would have been the information in your bullet point notes gets written down. We now have an overview question. We have preview subtitles and in-view notes. The final column does not have a divider run across. The final column is where the review answer is written. So if our question in the overview was, were doctors and medicines helpful? Then in the review answer section, you would write a one-sentence answer to that question. OPIR grids focus your notes on answering a single question. For those of you who find that your note-taking gets larger and larger and larger, forcing it to be constrained to a grid will help to contain the amount of information you actually put down.